Hello there, Kevin from thesaberfactory.com, and this little video is to give you a little rundown on how to get your lightsaber if you're looking to order one for Christmas. And yes, it might sound very early in October to talk about Christmas, but trust me, it is not. Because usually our time frame is 20 to 25 days between the day you order to the day you get your saber, because they're made on order and shipped directly to you from our Nexus factory. And this come Christmas time, well, you might arrive a little too late to get your saber on time for Christmas. And even more so if you order at the very end of the Black Friday week. That's gonna be at the end of November. So here are the few tips on how to not miss your Christmas shopping and the solutions that we have to get you delivered within a faster time frame, because there are some solutions. All of our international customers, you get delivered within 20 to 25 days. Everything is made on order, as I said. If you are in the European Union, we have a dedicated catalog in-house items that can be shipped and delivered within 1 week. So this may sound good, but this is brand new. We inaugurated it this summer 2023, and you guys hammered it. So right now we're very much out of stock. You can still grab some items, go and get them, because first come, first served. And we will have a restock by first week of December. So the only solution that we can give you if you're in Europe right now is go in the menu and browse the website like you're from any country that's not in the EU, and you will see the full catalog, but you can't order from it. So you'll have to go in the chat and ask me to do a custom order link, and I will send it to you, and you can have your saber within 20-25 days. But first week of December, we'll have the restock. Check out our socials, check out the website, and when the restock is there, just hammer that buy button. For our US customers, we can also do 1 week delivery when our US warehouse gets filled with the restock, which is basically same thing, first week of December. So late US Christmas shoppers could get their saber, but it's only going to be also a selection of best-selling items, not all of the catalog. So basically something like Anakin, Obi-Wan, Vader, Luke, Ahsoka, new items like Balin's Skull, the Lunner, the Master, the Double, the Kyber, the Deceitful, sabers like that. So what's the best solution? Well, it is ordering as soon as you can. Take the high ground, and high ground is the promo code. If you order now, you get 8% off for all international orders made on order at factory, and it allows us, it makes our work easier for us, for our friends at Nexus, for the shipping companies also, because when December comes, they will be overwhelmed with orders, packages, hiring temps. And you know what happens in Christmas, packages get mistreated and lost, and you don't want that to happen to your Christmas gift. So order as soon as you can, order now, take the promo code, and if it's for Christmas, don't wait for Black Friday, or be there early the first days of it. So I think it starts on November 20th. There you go. I think I've covered it all. If you have any questions, go in the chat. I'm always available there, and may the force be with you.